My name is Christina Nielsen and I'm the founding designer of Christina Nielsen Design, based in New York and London. I knew I wanted the living area to be closer to the windows where there's natural sunlight, and I wanted the dining area to be closer to the kitchen. I also wanted to create a divide and have the fireplace act as the divider between the living area and the dining area. When you first glance into the living room, everyone loves the rod that holds the 3 different pieces of artwork in a vertical line. They also love the antique Egyptian architectural prints over the green sofa. Because there's such high ceilings, it really elevates your eye so you can appreciate the height of the space. The trickiest thing for me in designing this space is finding something that could function as a media console but also didn't look so overtly like a media console. It was one of my favorite antique dealers in Maine. I was lucky enough to purchase this from him. I love it so much because it has the marble top, so it doesn't feel as precious as just like an all wooden dresser. But at the same time, it's very versatile. I can store my tableware in there, linens, plus it hides all the awful TV wires.